Okay, let's go. Okay, now the evaluation for the next week topic is about the reviewing the homework. So we just go to the homework from 15 January. Here is the question for math. I start with the first question.
Okay. What is the next number that sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10? What do we call a number multiplied 3 times a cube number? Likelihood that something happened is probability. If you flip 1,000 paper, what are the possible outcomes? 1,000 and or unknown. Find the next step in the pattern 2, 5, 10, 17. Will be 26. What is the probability of picking red marble from a jar that contains 5 red marbles and 3 blue marbles? It will be 5/8. If a square is divided by cube n, what's the third term? 1, 8, and 27. If the square start at 3 and double each, then what is the fifth term? 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. What's the next number in the square? 7, 14, 27, 21, 28. If the pattern continues, what is the fourth term in the square? 2 times 2, 4, 8 times 2, 16.
Okay, now let's go to science.
Do mass and weight mean the same thing? No. Mass is the amount of matter on object. Weight is the force by the gravity. What unit is mass measured in? Mass measured is in kilogram or gram. What's gravity? Gravity is the force that pull the object toward the earth. What is matter? Matter is the amount of matter, and matter is the amount of an object. What force helps keep a ship from sinking? Upward force.
This one, true or false?
True, false. Prediction and final measurement will always match. False. A heavier object always has a larger mass. True. Weight depends on gravity. True. Mass and weight mean the same thing. False. An object weighs less on the moon than on Earth. True.
Okay, next let's move to
Banyak balok yang sembalon tersebut adalah 12. Tumpukan kardus di atas ini beberapa kardus identik. Banyak kardus yang ada pada tumpukan tersebut adalah 15. Ini ada di depan.
Oke, berarti ini gambar ya.
Iya, ini.
Ini
Banyak bungkus pada bagian dekat 1 ada 9.
oke.
Banyak balok 3.
This one.
Aldi menggunakan beberapa kardus untuk membangun di atas kardus tersebut berbentuk bungkus. Banyak bungkus yang ditemukan oleh Aldi adalah 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, now we move to our homework. From 26 and 30 January. We start from matematika.
Perhatikan gambar di bawah ini. Koordinat titik A, B, dan C adalah
Mulai dari A.
A itu negatif 5, 6. B itu 1, 4. Lalu C itu 6 minus negatif 4. Lalu B yang kecil sedikit. Oke, D ini
Oke, nomor 1.
Diketahui dalam koordinat kartesius terdapat titik PQR, titik P 4,6, titik Q 7,1. Jika titik PQR dihubungkan atau putus di situ, maka pada titik R adalah P 46. 46, lalu Q 71. Untuk P, Q itu 71. Lalu R itu bisa di 41 atau juga bisa di sini di 76.
Now we move to math. Okay, this one.
What is 3/4 as a decimal? It will be 7.75 and 0.75. What is 20% of 50? 10. Which of the following is equal 0.5? 0.5, it will be half. What is 75% as a decimal? It will be 0.75. What is 3/5 as a decimal? 0.6.
Okay.
You want to choose the smallest value, compare 0.2, 1/3, 50%, and 3/4. It's when your choice. The smallest will be 0.2 because 1/3 it will be 0.3, 50% 0.5, and 3/4 0.75. Eric's flight from Thailand to Japan took 5.25 hours. How long did the journey take in hours and days? 5 hours. 0.25 multiplied by 60. 15, so 5 hours and 15 minutes.
Next, we move to science.
What's the path along which light travels called? It called the ray of light. What is reflection? Reflection is seeing yourself in the mirror of water. What does the periscope use to help people to see around corners? Periscope use mirror to help people see around corners. In the plane mirror, what happens to the light after it hits the mirror? It reflects as it hits the mirror. What is the purpose of plane mirror? Plane mirror is used to show the clear reflection.
Okay. We go to question number 1.
Why do you think a rough surface cannot form a clear image when light is reflected? Is plane mirror user? Because rough surface scatter lights in multiple directions. It doesn't form the clear image. Imagine a classroom uses mirrors on the wall instead of paint. How would this affect the light and visibility in the room? Is my opinion. I think the class would be very clear and bright as the light. So the light is less focused. How do you measure the angles of light when it reflects from a mirror, and why do you think this method is important? We measure the angle using the protector. This is important to know the angle of incidence always equals to the angle of reflection.
Okay. Next, we move to another homework. Go to February now. You can take from 7 to 6 February. Okay,
Perhatikan di atas, jika seorang berjuang dan ingin pergi ke rumah sakit dengan jalan paling cepat tidak berpengguna jalur mana yang harus diambil, dia harus mengambil jalur ke arah barat. Langsung saja menuju rumah sakit, tidak perlu mengambil jalur ke timur lalu ke terminal, karena itu akan menjadi memakan waktu yang lebih banyak. Andi baru saja selesai berlatih sepak bola di lapangan sepak bola. Dia ingin pergi ke pasar. Namun sebelum ke pasar dia mesti menuliskan rute. Oke, Andi perlu ke arah selatan Jalan Merdeka, lalu dia mengambil jalan Dahlia, lalu mengambil ke arah barat Jalan Kusuma, lalu melewati perumahan warga menuju masjid. Setelah dari masjid, dia perlu mengambil ke arah selatan Jalan Kusuma menuju Jalan Dahlia, yaitu di ujung Jalan Raya dan Pasar.
Next, we move to the map.
Classroom has 18 boys and 12 girls. The teacher wants to create teams with the same ratio of boys to girls. If each team has 3 boys, how many girls should be in each team? It will be 18 divided by 3 equals to 6. After that, 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. So there are 2 girls in each team. Fruit juice received use mango and orange juice in the ratio 5 to 3. If you have 15 cups of mango juice, how many cups of orange juice do you need? So it will be 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. 3 times 3 equals to 9. So there are 9 orange juice will be made. A car travels 180 km using 12 liters of petrol. Another car travels 24 km using 16 liters. What? 180 divided by 12. 60 divided by 5, 15. 240 divided by 16. 4 minus 6 8. Okay, they have simple addition. 15.
Okay, next we move to science. We go to the Excel.
Light bends when it passes through different materials. Explain why light changes direction and give an example from daily life when you can see reflection. How does this help scientists in studying light? Light changes direction because it changes speed in multiple or in different mediums. This helps the scientists to design the telescope and the other tools. Reflection occurs when light passes through different materials. Explain one practical application of reflection in daily life and how understanding reflection is useful in technology. Reflection occurs when light passes through different material. For example, like glass and camera use reflection to focus light. How to say this? This helps to design the tools like microscope, camera, and telescope.
So next one, we will open the computer and the board.
The pie chart above shows favorite colors of a group of people. Find the percentage of that. As we know, pie chart has 100%. So we count first green 23% plus 35 pink, 15 black, and 17 of blue. This one will be 10, 20, 4, 7, 8, 9. So 100% minus subtract by 90 equals to 10%. Sebuah kantong berisi 5 kelereng merah dan 3 kelereng biru. Jika diambil satu kelereng secara acak, berapa terakhirnya merah? Karena merah ada 5 banding total dengan 5 banding 8. Dalam sebuah kotak terdapat 10 bola, 4 merah, 3 kuning, 3 biru. Berapa peluang terdapat bola biru? Biru ada 3, berarti 3 per 10. Dari set kartu angka 1 sampai 20, berapa peluang dalam genap? Genap itu ada 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, dan 20. Berarti ada 10. 10 per 20 atau 1 per 2. Terdapat 9 kelereng, 4 kuning, 2 hijau, dan 3 merah. Berapa peluang terhadap kelereng hijau? Hijau ada 2. Lalu berarti 2 per 9.
Yeah, I think as the representative, there is so far that actually I can ask you for the number, so I think it is